Today we are making Yakiudon with savory sauce. Udon noodles are stir-fried with vegetable and meat, seasoned with sauce similar to Yakisoba. We'll show you how to make it. For ingredients and recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we cut the vegetable. Cut cabbage into 1-inch squares. Slice onion thinly. Cut carrot into thin strips. And slice snow peas thinly. And cut pork into bite-sized pieces. Heat oil in a wok or frying pan. Cook the pork until lightly browned. Add the vegetables and cook for a couple of minutes. Then add the udon noodles. You can use cooked dried noodles or frozen noodles after being defrosted. Stir fry for a minute. Now we are going to add the seasonings: salt, sake, mirin, soy sauce, and tonkatsu sauce. Stir and cook until noodles are all coated with the sauce and the liquid is almost gone. Plate the cooked noodles and top with katsuobushi dried bonito flakes. Add the pickled ginger if you like. If you have udon noodles in your freezer or pantry, this is a quick, easy, and delicious meal to make.
美味しい。美味しいね。